Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Holmes, and it's time for Fundations. Today, we're going to be looking at the sound of ooh and long U. It makes the same sound, but it's spelled several different ways. Let's begin with reviewing some sounds. You need to either have paper, your whiteboards, or if you're doing it on your iPads, have picture in picture ready to go. Pause the video if you need time to get ready. All right, well, let's get started. Echo me. E, me, E. E, E, Jeep, E. E, Y, key, E. E, A, eat, E. E, Pete, E. That's the sounds for long E. Now, let's do a little bit of review of the sounds that we know for the long U sound. Okay, echo me. U, pupil, U. U, flew, oo. U, rule, oo. U, e, blue, oo. U, e, rescue, you. E, w, chew, oo. O, school, oo. O, u, soup, oo. Now these two sounds are interesting because the double O makes two sounds. O, school, oo. And O, book, two different sounds, but it's spelled the same. And OU makes two sounds. OU, soup, oo. And OU, trout, owl. Two different ways to spell it. Well, first of all, we're going to look at the sound of U-Consonant-E. Now, let's write the word flute using the U-Consonant-E. I'm going to turn it over on this side so that I have a little more room to write. All right, flute. Elbows up. Let's tap it out. Flute. F-O-U-T. Flute. F-L-U-T-E. It has U consonant E. And if we were to mark this, scoop it, and we would have vowel consonant E. The U, you hear the flu sound, and the E is silent. Now, if I were to take off the TE on the end, now it makes a sound of flew, as in you flew, and when you're sick, two different sounds. Now, when you have U consonant E, we said that it was vowel consonant E, but when you take off the vowel consonant E and you just have the U sound on the end, that is an open syllable with a long U. Two different ways to do the sound. Okay, so now let's look at the other ways that we have for making the sound of oo. Let's first look at OU. Oh, where did the card go? Here it is. OU, soup, oo. Now, soup, soup, S, and then you put the OU, p, soup. Now, this word soup, using the OU in it, is just like when we had OW with two different sounds. You have to decide, is it soup? Well, that doesn't make sense. Or is it soup? Yes, we like to eat the soup. Now, another word that makes this sound that you've heard before is the word you. Y-O-U. Okay, you, soup, and you. And then a third word that would make that sound that you might be familiar with is the word group. G-R-O-U-P, group. Soup, U, group. Now you notice that on soup and group, it has a consonant on the end. And on the word you, the OU is at the end. So let's go ahead. We would mark this with a double vowel, just like that. And you would actually be marked as an open vowel, and group would be marked with a double vowel. Make sure you have this on all three of your words. All right, next slide, new word. All right, our next sound that we're going to take a look at is the double O. The double O that you hear in school is that same oo sound. So school is tricky because it sounds like SK, but it's SCH, SCH, oo, double O, L. If you were to tap it out, school, school. But it's spelled with a double O. And to mark it, it's one syllable, and it is a double vowel, school. Now, another word that has this sound is when you wash your hair, you use shampoo. Shh. Let's tap that out. First syllable, sham. Second syllable, poo. Shampoo. Tap it out. Sham. Sh. Am. Poo. P-oo. Shampoo. Here we go. Sh. S-H. Am. That's our first syllable, so I'm going to put a dot right there. Poo. P-oo. And the O-O is at the end of the word this time. You scoop. Sham. Poo. Just like that. We have a short vowel sound, so it is closed. And the second syllable, you have oo, and it is open. This first syllable, don't forget to underline your digraph. That's how it looks. Shampoo. All right. Now the other sound of double O is the word double oo, O-O, book, ugh. The word book, B-O-O-K, book, book. It's still a double vowel. Still a double vowel. Oops, I forgot to circle it. Still a double vowel. And to know the difference on which vowel sound, oo or you have to use, you just have to try it out both ways. That's just how it works. All right, so we have book. And if a book is really interesting to me, I say I say that it is good, a good book. G, double O, D, good. Scoop it. Good, double vowel. Book and good. Both of those have the sound of as in book. All right. New slide or a new line on your paper. Now the next sound of oo that we have is a sound that you hear in blue. You see the lights are blue. Let's write the word blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. And in this word, you scoop it, and the U-E, it's a long U sound. It's a double vowel. And because it's at the end of the word and does not have a consonant after it, it is open. So put O for open. Now the other sound for the UE is like the word rescue. Echo me, rescue. First syllable, res. Second syllable, Q. Rescue. R-E-S, res. I put my dot. Q. C-U-E. Rescue. Scoop it. Rescue. The res, we have short vowel, so it is closed. And on the second syllable, we have a double vowel, and it's at the end of a word, so it is open. Go ahead and write that down. If you need to pause your video, you can. All right, the next sound of ooh. Oh my goodness, there are so many sounds. Okay, the next one is a sound that you hear that is spelled with E-W. Now, E-W has, it's E-W, chew, ooh. It's that same ooh sound that you hear in blue and rule and pupil. Okay, it's that same sound, but it's spelled with E-W. This word chew, ch, ooh, C-H-E-W, chew. And you have to circle the E-W, scoop it, and it is a double vowel. Chew. Now, a word that rhymes with chew that you may use a lot is if you just bought something, it is brand new. It is brand new. N-E-W. There's the example. And we circle it, scoop it, and it is this one's at the end. Oh, you know what? I said this one up here was a double vowel. It was actually open because it's at the end. You're right. It is a double vowel, but it's at the end of a word, so it should be open. All right, there you go. All right, boy, that was exhausting. That's all of the sounds of ooh. All right, now let's do some trick words. Our first trick word that we have today is a month. The month of July. Echo me, July. I love fireworks on the 4th of July. Let's put capital J, U, L, Y, July. And use a different color to trace over. J, U, L, Y, July. And now let's put our arm out and trace it. Ready? July. J, U, L, Y. Very good. Okay, July. Now let's map it. J makes the J sound. U, that's the long U sound. Jul, and the L-Y, makes the L sign, and the Y makes the sound of I. July. 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 All right, let's write the word 2 times. Make sure you have a capital J. J-U-L-Y. Capital J-U-L-Y. July. And that's all for today, boys and girls. I'll see you next time.